Well, welcome back everybody. Here I am at my bench. It's all cleaned off. Still got the Don Garlett's Windjammer model kit build sitting here. It's been about a week now. I haven't done too much. I've just been taking it easy. The weather's been up and down, hot and cold and freezing and melting and freezing again. So I haven't really felt like doing too much. So I've been sitting down here at the see what I should do next. And I have this kit I bought a few years ago. I bought this at a model show. It was in a bag, I think, for $5. It's the 1925 Model T Ford with the Laurel and Hardy figures in it. When I got it home and opened it up, and it was pretty dusty and dirty, so I washed it off. And when I was washing it, it started to come apart. So I got a few pieces off. Unfortunately, one of the headlights flew off. I've never been able to find it. And it's missing a number of pieces. It's missing 2 tires. It came with 2 mag wheels, 2 drag slicks, and a parachute, so I'm not sure where this was going. But I'm missing the radiator, 2 wheels, the windshield, a few more odds and ends, a seat. I think pretty much everything else is there that I can think of. I don't have the instructions or the box with it. So to take a tip from Charlie Mack, I did a little bit of research on the internet, and this is what I found as far as what happened to those missing parts. The 2 Laurel and Hardy figures were still on the sprue, so I've glued the front and backs together. Haven't put the arms on yet because I want to figure out what position they should be in. Let me refocus this so maybe I can get some more light on it here. So since it's missing a bunch of parts, what I was going to do is I'll paint up the figures and use them in another kit. I have the Model 25 Model T Ford complete kit in a newer version. So this is the box art for the kit that I'm referring to. And I'll build that up and use them in that. And I think this version, because it's missing a bunch of parts, I'll paint it and rusty and weather it and set it up as a barn find. So that's my idea for what I should do next. By the way, I have this little base that came with the dragster. I have no idea what to do with it. I'm not good at coming up with plans. I can look at a picture and say that's a good idea and I'll do that, but I just don't know what to do with this base at the moment. Maybe I'll think of something. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Appreciate any comments, and see what we do next.